What is going on, guys? It's your boy Depo Gaming 101 here, back with another reaction of Angry Grandpa Funniest Moments. If I remember correctly, this might be part 4. Okay, yeah, it's gonna be part 4. Okay, let's get on with it. Bah!
Feel it back. Oh, and it's so wet. Look at it. It's just
Also looks so rotten.
Oh, baby, but once you get that thing peeled, boy, look at it. Look at it. See there? Hey.
I probably can't. I can't show that. That's too explicit.
It's just a banana.
All right.
A banana happens to be a very phallic object. It looks very wrong.
Get it? You like bananas. Okay, Ryan says, what is Grandpa's favorite Beatles song?
I gotta think on that one a minute. I don't wanna spoil the party, so I'll go. I would hate my disappointment to show. There's nothing for me here, so I will disappear. I think I'll take a walk and look for that bitch. I hope they find her
Bitch.
ass in a ditch. Been a hard day's night, and I've been stroking on my heart. It's been a hard day's night. I've sure had one hell of a log. But when I get home to you, I find I'm gonna screw you. You make me feel so good. Ooh, I love it.
Ooh.
And when I get home to you, you know I'll stick it in you.
Oh, shut up. That's what I said.
Pickle Boy here.
Bridget was here.
And today, Dad is going to listen to a song that's plagued him for many years. There are 100 ways to love a cat. So I'm going to switch the doorknob around so he can't get out. Bridget's going to play 100 ways to love a cat from the other side of the door. And he ain't going to be able to get out of the room.
Yep.
There are 100 ways to love a cat. 100 loving ways. Way 1. Keep a tidy house for them. 100 loving ways. There are 100 ways to love a cat. 100 loving ways.
What the fuck?
Be sure to clip their claws. 100 loving ways.
Hey!
Brush them with a
Mother, what the fuck are you doing?
100 ways to love a
Oh,
cat.
hell no! Man, goddamn, let me have this motherfucker, please.
Just me, you, and 100 ways to love a cat for the next hour.
Way 7. Let them have a fish.
No, man, come on, man!
Let them have a fish.
Buy them a scratching post.
God damn! Oh, fuck your loving ways, you bitch!
100 loving ways. 100 loving ways. 100 loving ways.
Fuck, I can't go through this year!
There are 100 ways to love a cat. 100 loving ways. Way 9. Be quiet when they're sleeping.
Wake that motherfuckers up, feed them goddamn poison!
There are 100 ways to love a cat. 100
Knock it off.
loving ways. Way 11. Whisper, I love you.
Whisper, die, you motherfucker! Die!
Put a lighter in their box.
Yeah, and then bury them motherfuckers! Wrap them up! Throw them in a goddamn pocket garbage!
Dude, he's acting like a fucking child. This is awesome.
Garbage can!
Loving ways. Way 27. Give them a mat to wipe their feet on.
Yeah! Use it to wipe your fucking ass, Bridget!
There are 100,
When they goddamn kill you, you motherfucking ass!
100 love.
You would need 2 cats!
Wait, 28. Don't forget them on Christmas.
Christmas! Put them in a goddamn stocking and beat them against the goddamn fireplace!
Oh my fucking god. Give me a fucking. That really tensed up my muscles in my face, bro. I started fucking wheezing. That's fucking awesome. That's fucking awesome.
Hey! Then throw me the fire and burn that motherfucker up!
100 loving ways. 100 loving ways.
Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off!
There are 100 ways to love a cat. 100 loving ways. Wait, 45. Increase his cuddle time.
Yeah! I'll cuddle with the bitch! I'll kill him! I'll kill him and I'll hang him and I'll drown him! And I'll kill him in the sushi!
100 loving ways.
Man, I'm getting sick of my stomach, Michael.
46. Be sure to watch his weight.
Let him get fat! And then die! 100 ways to love a cat! Burn him in the stove! Put him in a pan! Number 92! Ways! 100 ways to love a cat! What a loving ways!
Give them a thing of cat grass. 100.
Give him a bag of what? Pack grass! What the hell is pack grass?
Scratch under his chin.
Yeah, I'll scratch him! I'll give him out my crowbar and I'll scratch him into the good in his chin! I've had enough! I've had enough!
God! Jesus Christ!
Love that cat!
Oh! I gotta get out!
Okay. Oh my god. 100. Oh my god. They also give me a fucking ab workout. That was fucking amazing. Oh my god.
Let me out, Bridget!
There we got less than. Oh, we got exactly 2 minutes left, and let's finish it.
On the way, stay with me, boy! We're gonna learn about them cats together!
It stinks so bad in here!
We're gonna learn them cats together!
There are 100.
Alright, that's it! I got enough! That's enough! I mean, that's it! Sit down!
You've gotten to like 70. You only got like another 20. Good God, don't do it! Okay. Stop!
I want out of here, rope! I want out of here right now! I want out! 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 God, let me out! Let me out! Let me out!
Ah! Don't do it!
Get me out of my room.
Don't do it!
Let me out of my room.
Okay! Just stop, I'll think about it.
I want out!
100 loving ways.
Wait a minute.
No! Stop! Stop! Damn you!
Yeah, I got your loving way to love a cat right now, motherfucker.
He found the speaker, Bridget! We can't hear it no more. He found the speaker. Let me out, Bridget.
Here's your underwear. That love got you.
Bridget, let me the hell out of the room now. Get down.
Hey, yeah.
Stop.
Come out here. Here, he's bigger. Yeah. Yeah, there's your magnet. There's your speaker. Get out of my house.
Bridget, come on.
Get out of my house.
Come on.
100 ways to throw you out my fucking house. 100 fucking ways. Get out.
That shit made me laugh so hard I started wheezing for the first time in my life. That was fucking awesome, dude. 100 ways. This is the final part 4. I hope you guys did enjoy this whole series. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to our podcast. Subscribe to mine and Dank Nerd 55's podcast called 2 Brains, 1 Brain Cell, the podcast. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.